how to make $30 per hour US by posting faceless TikTok videos. Now in this video I'm going to show exactly, as you can see here today in yesterday results, how you can do this by yourself by posting daily faceless TikTok videos. As you can see over here on my screen, you can see over here in the last 7 days, last week only, had over 830,000 views, which is almost 1 million video views. Free traffic and paid traffic. Now if you're wondering how much money you gotta start spending, I would say $5 to $10 per day, it's enough on TikTok. 5 to 10 US dollars per day, it's enough. And there are all the secrets I'm using, and I'm showing this to my personal students and clients, how you can apply this, okay? Now imagine if you are promoting, let's go over here, but first of all, you can reach out to me over here on my Instagram later, okay? You connect with me. Now let me show you here, if you go to ClickBank, right, you see we have up to 100% commissions, you can earn $73. And let's go to weight loss, for example. If you go to categories and get top offers, you see over here over $140 per sale. Now keep in mind, you can be making more money from one customer over and over again. Passive income, recurring income, right? Because if there is a great upsell take rate, usually 40 to 70%, people are buying all the upsells. So do you agree with me, right? It makes sense to promote products that can pay you rebills, okay, passively, recurring commissions. It's called lifetime customer value and average order value, right? Now, let me go back to TikTok. You can see over here in the last 28 days, 1.6 million video views. You could be spending, like for example, $5 to $10, 15 US dollars per day. And if you're promoting one product that's paying you, let's say, around $200 with upsells, with let's say 10 sales, you're making $2,000 per week. You don't have to have 1.6 million video views to make sales. In this case, you can be making 40, 50 sales a day, okay? But positive engagement, okay? Message to the market match. It's what matters with affiliate marketing. Every social platform in 2025 will require positive and user experience, okay? Every single network like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, they will want positive user experience, okay? And if people are leaving their comments, it means that algorithm will push your videos more and more further, all right? So this is how it works. Now, how you can take advantage of this and make money online for yourself is by posting faceless videos. Now, if you're wondering, okay, if you're in the diabetes space, on dental space, there are UGC style videos. It can be all done for you. You don't have to record yourself. All this is done for you, with you together, okay? Once we start working together, one-on-one. So you can exactly see how this is done. If you're wondering, okay, how much video views I need to have in order to make, let's say, 10,000 US dollars in 30 days. I would say if you want to make $2,500 per week, if you have even 1,000 views per week or 2,000 views per week, you could be making, let's say, 3 sales from that, maybe 5 sales, some cases 10 sales. You never know. But minimum 3 to 5 sales per day, you're making over $500 per day, $500 to $700 per day, okay? Because I showed you before, right, on ClickBank over here, upsell take rate is really high. You see, almost 300 people every single day are making money with this offer on ClickBank. Okay, this is prostate offer for men, but you see over here, dental offer, new doctor endorsed dental offer, $4 earning per click. It means for every click you get, you're earning $4. 1,000 clicks, 4,000 US dollars, right? That's the basic math, all right? Now, if you're wondering exactly how to put it together, how to have the right message to the market match, what are the right templates, the right UGC style videos, and exactly how to put it together to be able to scale these offers online and have it done together with you, then let me know. After watching this video, you can connect with me over here. You can see on my Instagram, my Facebook, I even have my personal cell phone number for you, my WhatsApp, all in the description below. You can reach out to me, okay? If you really want to take it affiliate marketing with ClickBank or any other network, CPI affiliate marketing with TikTok, really seriously, let me know, okay? You can connect with me. After watching, of course, this video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, if you have any questions, but only if you are serious. If you really want to make money, if you have some money to invest in yourself and actually really make it happen, do let me know, okay? So you can have results like this over here. You can see, let me show you, in the last 2 months, 2.9 million video views, almost 500,000 likes in 2 months, and comments, 31,000 comments. Now imagine what you can do, not only organically, but also with paid traffic, with paid advertising. So do let me know if you want to get results, because once you have someone who can help you step by step, one-on-one, and hand-holding you, then you will finally be able to move forward and fast forward your results to have more success. So again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.